Good morning, good afternoon or good evening, wherever in the world you might be watching. One of the most important and useful commands in Excel is the data form. This allows you to quickly and easily add error-free data to your spreadsheet tables. The file that we'll use for demonstration purposes contains 10 headings and is over 2,000 records deep. So adding a new record can be a little inefficient. So we're going to create a data form. So we'll look at the steps needed to allow easy addition of extra records using a data entry form. The first step is to right click on the ribbon and then customize the ribbon. What we then need to do is to click new group. There's our new group, and we're going to rename it to data form. This places the icon that we'll create on the ribbon. So let's click OK. We've named the form, and now we go to the drop down list here and look for commands not in the ribbon. Now we scroll down until we find form. So when we see form, click on it, and making sure that the data form section for the ribbon is highlighted. Then just click add and you'll see that the form is added to that particular area. Now we can click OK, and then we see the form up here in the ribbon itself. All we need to do then is to click on the form, and it will automatically list all of the fields involved in your table, and you can click new if you wish, and then simply add the data that you need for your new record. And after you've chosen or typed in your data, simply click close, and at the bottom of the form the extra record will be added. Now here's a handy tip. You only need to create the form icon once, because whatever table that you see on the screen, irrespective of the file that it's in, there's an extra one here, employees. It's in the same file as the large spreadsheet. All I did was click on the sheet down here, and then if I click form, there I will see that the new data entry form will be automatically created, subject to the information in the table itself. So thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure to present this video for you. It opens up a whole new way to efficiently add extra information to your tables. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.